what are ways that you can avoid getting to this stage because it really disrupts performance. You've seen it's very costly as well. Not only is it costly in terms of emotions and 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 turnover, which we know how costly that can be, but it really affects performance, bottom line. So why not do some kind of intervention every quarter? Like that is not unreasonable to do a diagnostic every quarter and not just going out for pizza or bowling and team building and jump off a pole and call it team building. Like really look at issues and have some truthful, honest conversations. Why are we so afraid to do that? And I actually have the answer. I'm asking my I'm asking rhetorical question. But actually people really want to speak up. People really want to speak their truth. It's just if they feel psychologically safe, then they will. Imagine you have great ideas. You have so many suggestions on what could enhance team performance, but you just don't want to share them. You keep them to yourself because you're not rewarded for sharing ideas. You're told that there's no money for it. You're told just do your job, stay in your lane. And so why should I speak up? I'm not rewarded. In fact, I'm penalized. So over time, that erodes the psychological safety. So what are ways that we could avoid that? Let's go back to regular pulse checks, doing intervention, even just a circle. This is an agile, actually. I told you about the agile training that I've been delivering. It's great. Every morning, there is a stand-up meeting, 5 minute, or everyone just shares. What are you doing? What did you work on yesterday? What are you working on today? And what do you need help with? Simple. Everyone just share. And this allows people to know where they stand. And it's a regular pulse check that's not deep and heavy because by the time you get to those interventions, like emotions have been pent up for months, sometimes years. And then there is an explosion. And then how do you handle that? So let's mitigate. Let's make sure that we are staying on top of the relationships, the communication, the trust. And there are interventions.